Uh, Students, good evening to all. The design thinking and innovation 10-hour course. The last days are came. The last day class. Very eager to watching the people. We are receiving lot of feedback from our sites. That day 10th session is a design thinking and some revisions and recall. Then IPS. IPS mean intellectual property rights. We well know what portions we are covered in the past days. The past days we covered lot of titles, very energetic titles like a persona, wheel on product, ideations, ideations, wheel on products, ideation, need identifications, empathy mapping, human-centered design, design for service, how to can develop on a prototype, how human experience, how can able to visualize one product, how to can able to visualize one person's. We cover lot of things in the design thinking areas. I promised what you are taking after this course, that 10 hours course, you can able to visualize your final year product, IPS, patents, design patents. We will see that the patents and design patents today, journey map, where we start our project, where we complete our project, out of box thinking, prototype development, product visualization, within the limit sources, how to can execute the product. That is a critical thinking. Product visualizations. These are the things are your takeaway from the course. And you well known design thinking is a human-centered approach. Any design, you should focus on your human faced only. Your projects are towards the societies only. Human-centered approach to innovate that draws from the designer toolkits. Anything, your things are start from rough sketch, rough sketch to that detailing, detailing to that process, product, anything you should focus on customer requirements, customers need. And one more thing, each and every stages, design stages and the process stages and after product, customer point of view, service centers like this, you validate your quality, you validate your qualities. You take any product, sir, you take any product, utility, appearance, easy of maintenance, low cost, and communication. Products are communicating with you, you are communicating with the product. Communication, utility, what purpose, what is the objective behind the product. Appearance, very colorful appearance products are very eagerly attracting your client, your customers. Easy of maintenance, people's want very easy of product, easy of handling the product. And very interesting tools as scammer ideas and techniques. Sir, in your final year project, whatever you just take this snapshot, sir. Any product, you are not a rocket scientist, but you want product, sir. Yes, sir, I am not rocket scientist, I am a final year student, I am a very less than 28, sir. What I do, sir, don't worry, you just remind me this slides. Already products are there in the market. Already some products need the society. Farmers need some small equipments. People want small healthcare equipments. People want mask. Like you capture the your project IT from the societal need. Okay, sir. Already the products are there in the market. What I can able to sample, the ideation techniques tools, combine, adapt,
Yes, sir.
magnify, 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 and put to other use, and eliminate, rearrange, substitute, combine. For example, yesterday we discussed agriculture operations, fluffing. A lot of operations you are telling, fluffing, spraying, a lot of, you can able to develop a new product with all the operations, the combined robo with a solar operatable robo. Adapt. Yes, I can able to adapt this technology, these things. For example, I have one question, sir. Maybe most of the people are computer science students. I know that. Just tell me, all the computer science students are taking the project only for Python, machine learning, and C, C plus, Java, like this only. The peoples are not touched AR, augmented reality and virtual reality. Yeah, lot scopes are there. You can able to AR and VR in the educational sectors. Adapt technology. You adapt technologies and magnify. Sir, my mobile phone is now that this pixels only, sir. I want to magnify the next level. Magnify. Sir, already these products are available, sir. I want to scale up this product. I want to magnify the product, put to other use. So wonderful example we saw, sir, yesterday. One Royal Field bike. Normally, we are Royal Field bike for automobile vehicles. We are normally using for transport purpose only. But one guy is using through the small setup, small rearrangements. Is coming as a rearrangements. Small Royal Field bike already there. The guys are using another use agriculture operation, cleffing operation. Eliminate. Yes, sir. This is my pen, sir. 10 components are there, sir. I'm removing the 10 components. I'm reducing the pen weight, sir. Sir, the mobile phone have some parts are unwanted, sir. I'm removing, sir. But the mobile phones are working, sir. This is for eliminations. This is for eliminations. Sir, another one, rearrange. So any projects are fall on this things one. Another one tool be well known, Tridge. Tridge is you convert any problem, any of your problems are you should convert into analog to the digital numerical value. For example, you just see that IAS officer speech or CM speech, people are speaking in terms of numerical. You also convert your problem into numerical. You get your you just give idea for this numerical solution, sir. Now this agriculture yield is 85%, sir. I am developing one product for 90% yield. That's the things. So one of the ideation techniques tools. Other than this, we saw a lot of things, sir. Substitute again and again. I'm repeating. You have a lot of scopes that are there in the PPT, in the particular slides. Substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, and eliminate and reverse. And just see that is a combined case. The guys are Enfield, the guys are taken. He's doing some arrangements, rearrange. And the guys are using, substituting one purpose to another one purpose. That is the inventions. That is the ideation techniques. You well know, beach cleaning vehicles. Very tough thing is, sir, already there. Already waste collecting devices there, waste storage devices there. But the beach surface, it's a very different things. I want to develop one product with all the functions with belt conveyor. I want that my vehicle should move on the beach surface. That things you ideate your product. Robo, underwater robo. Sir, already welding robots are in my lab, sir. In my lab, welding robots are there. Most of the engineering colleges have pick and place robo, pick and place robo. And one more thing I want to tell you. Now that AICTs are introduced this year, computer science and robotic engineering, one new course. So most of the colleges have at least big colleges have 3 to 4 robots, welding robots and pick and place robots for underwater sir. The same function I want, sir, but the location is different, sir. My welding robots are in my lab second floor, but I want to the same robo underwater. So I want to concentrate on material, same functions, same design, same things, but I want to concentrate on material, each and every component's material. Then I want to take robo safety. Suppose underwater mean anything will happen. For example, because the fish will capture your robo, you should concentrate that also in the designing stages. And you well known walking sticks for elderly peoples are thinking, yes, I have a 70 years old my grandmother is a essentially need what functions, what features I can able to add it. Yes, it is a very short, very sad, adjustable height material, strong material. You are telling, and one more guys are telling, sir, I want to safety switches, I want to, sir, I want to sensor, sir, I want send, if suppose my grandfather is missing me, I want to take collect some data from this picture. And one more guys are telling, sir, why can't able to connect this walk is all grandfather's walk is through IIoT. A great innovation is that yesterday that one guys are told, sir, we can able to connect all the persons, all the more than 70 age group people's track record. Some people are missing. So walkie sticks for elderly people, it's the one kind of one product. Bicycle with foldable wheels, mechanical engineers have a wonderful things are there. Sir, in our colleges, every year one cycle projects are doing, sir. One guys are, I think 2016, our first pattern, Satyabama first pattern, School of Mechanical pattern is this cycles only. Portable bicycle with foldable wheel. I have that memories. In 2016 April, we started with this project. That itself we developed IPR, design thinking, creativity, lot. Portable bicycle with foldable wheel, chainless bicycle. Next year, one guys are coming. These projects are impressed. One guys are come and discuss with me. Sir, I want to develop on chainless bicycles. And one more guys, next year is come. He is telling, sir, I want to develop on bicycle for adjustable frameworks, sir. Adjustable frameworks, sir. So very interesting. All the things we are five patterns. And just see that one more thing, cloud kitchens is a business model. Design thinking is not only for invention, anything. You have a best business model, sir. I have a best business model, sir. You are also a design thinker. Cloud kitchen, wonderful example. Cloud mean people are thinking store, storing like this. You are thinking, but cloud kitchens is the best example for cloud. For example, here you just see that kitchen hump is a common kitchen material. Yes, right. Food order is cloud kitchens. You take cloud kitchens. So one single hump, the entire Vaisak city. You take entire Vaisak city in single place. People are preparing for food. Just imagine. Lot of manpower, lot of material powers are reducing. So these strategies are following in Hyderabad biryani people, Chennai Talapakati people, all the people are this kind of cloud kitchen strategies are following. And just see that digitized clothes. I asked yesterday yourself, suppose this guy is, I want to monitor COVID through that digital clothes. What I can you do that? Sir, you only told to me, sir, oximeter, thermometer, like pulse meter, lot of sensor. I want to this gloves, sir. Wonderful ideas. Can able to you have a scope for develop a new gloves, the new gloves. Other things, sir, societal problems. They see that ergonomic driver seats for spinal pain relief, long travel drivers, like lorry drivers. The people are traveling more than 5,000 kilometers that times. You can able to design and develop and go for prototype. We have Satyabama have a prototype for ergonomic driver seat for spinal pain relief and unmanned aerial vehicles base plate. People's unmanned aerial vehicles are available. We specified for the structure base plate for out of this, a lot of things are there. So this is cycle folding mechanism, extension power cord. So really enjoyable product. Product is a final year project is a not for costing, sir. Not for a costing. You should enjoy your project. You should whatever you want, you take. Just see that foldable extension power cord. At a time, sir, I made one product, sir, power cord, sir. At a time, I can able to charge 12 mobile phones, sir. The students are developed. The students are came with product. They came with product. All the peoples are enjoying in the classrooms because 12 mobile phones simultaneously can able to charge. So that is a enjoyable things. Just see, sir, I want to now. I'm coming for a project to IPS. It's a very wonderful thing, sir. Sir, I have an invention. I have idea, but I want to in my resume very proper. All the peoples are doing projects, sir. Sir, my friend is taking project 20,000, sir, 25,000. My friends got 80 marks, sir. My friend got 80 mark. You are telling. I know that you are sound, but you can protect your ideas, sir. You have novelty in your project, sir. Yes, sir. I have novelty, sir. The design is not attributable to existing the design, sir. Yes, I have new design. I have a technology. I have a proper methodology, proper steps in my project. Industrial applicability. Yes, sir. My product is applicable for agriculture. My products are applicable for specifically for healthcare people. My product is for aviation industry. You have very clear industrial applicability. Mean you can also file a patent in your name, in your institute name. Just note it. You can also able to develop one new product, new things in your name. For example, we developed nearly, you just read the Google, my name is showing nearly 25 to 30 new design pattern and only 10 patent published. But all are not my own idea. We are developing from the student side. Students are telling one line concepts only. Students are telling, for example, you just see that this is when students are coming, sir, I want to digital close. This thinking is coming in my mind, sir. One guys are coming and told, see that one guys are told, yes, sir, I want to develop one base plate. From idea to we are converting. The students are telling one line idea. We are developing and we are doing ideation. We are doing that prototype, and finally we are applied patents. We are applied patents in the student's name. For example, you just see the certificate. It's a design patent certificate. We get it barely six. Design patents are very easy in India. You have properly submitted documents. Mean within the 6 months you can able to get a certificate, patent certificate. Design patents are very simple. Design patents are very simple, but product patent it will take like a 4 to 5 years. That is a different thing. Now, 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 1 minute. I want to share it. One more thing. Yes, sir. I don't know anything. Uh, this is visible, boss. This is visible. Anyone confirm?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Sir, I don't know anything about IPS, intellectual properties. I'm a final year student. I want to I want to file a patent in my name. For example, we are filing times. For example, Kaja Nawaz. Raja Bantanava, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. Raja is a student. Raja is my student. I'm filing. Raja name is a first. You see that one cup of coffee, one small teacup. Where IPRs are coming in this slides? Just it is a Vivo World Intellectual Property Organization's slide. This one slide. Just see, sir. First, you are hearing all the terms in your real life. Because to people, sir, small inventions also you can able to file a patentable one. But you know novelty, you know inventive steps, you know that industrial applicability. For example, you are engineers. Yes, sir. I am an engineer, sir. I am a computer science engineer, sir. You have a three scopes, sir. One is the patent, real patent, design patent, and copyright. Sir, I am telling only for engineering students. Engineering students, you note it. Your projects are very pakka. Your projects are very pakka. The products are there. You have your products are there. Me, you can able to contact. Uh, just see that patent, design patent, copyright. Just see that first one product, the tea related, the tea making method. The tea every day your mothers are giving, but you just taste it. All the days are teas are some days are you can able to see the variations because of ingredients, the solution, method. It can be able to patentable. And the design, you just say the design, cup design, that is a it look, feel, feel of a tea products, just a cup and the packages can be protected through that industrial design rights or design patents. That is a design, sir. In the cup, you just take this cup you can able to design, you can able to file a design patents. Just a tea cup, tea method of preparations of a tea and ingredients is a patent. But tea cup, just see the tea cup, tea shape, the tea cup shape, it is a design patent. Sir, I want to develop one new water bottle, it is a design patent. Trademarks, the tea brand names are there. The trademark brand name, Kannan Devan tea, Ooty tea, Tata tea, Three Roses tea. It's like a brand. It's like a brand name, trademark names. And peoples are have some symbols. This is a trade. That and trade secret is a very interesting trade secret, sir. The companies are kept secret as a tea recipe. It's similar to Coca-Cola and the Pepsi. The peoples are not sharing the trade secret. Peoples are not the chemical drink. The Coca-Cola company, Pepsi companies can't able to see. You just see that the compositions, the trade secrets are there. And the copyright, you know now that word. For example, have a nice day, nice cup of a tea, nice cup of a tea. These words are copyright. Just by right, any literature work, any coding work, for particularly computer science students, your code programs, you can able to copyright. So you are engineering students. You have a three different kind of IP productions you can able to do yourself. One is a design patent. One is a design patent. Another one is, sir, just see, one is a design patent. Second one is a patent. Third one is a copyright. You are engineering students, you can able to do these three things. We will touch one by one. The first, so just again I'm repeating, design. Design, just see the coffee cup shape, package, cup, cup shape is a design pattern. The coffee method, coffee tea making method, coffee making equipments also patentable. Secret, the recipe secret, the secretly kept the recipe, the tea recipe, and the trademarks, brand name, copyright. Copyright. These all the things are normally copyright is like a literature. You can able to write a book, thesis, your project, even though your PPT also you can able to make a copyright. Just see that now I will come for my PPT is visible now. Anyone? Anyone confirm my PPTs are visible?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
okay. Yes, okay. Now, sir, copyright, we will see one more occasions we will see copyright. Now all are engineering student. Sir, I have a product, sir. I have a design. I am a best design thinker, sir. I have a product. I have a product. You have a product, sir. You have a two options. One is a design pattern, another one is a pattern. You have a two things. One is a pattern. Yes, sir. I have end product. I have end product. I have fabricated product. I have a test report. For example, one students are developed a army man jacket composite material. Army man product composite material. We tested this. Made a sample and we tested with IIT Madras. IIT Madras. They really good or not. We are checked. End results are have you have end result, sir. I made a product. I have a end result. I have a one chemical composition. I have a end result. Me, you go for patents. No, sir. I have only idea. I have only idea. I have only design. Me, you go for design patents. Just note it, sir. Normally, any copyrights, any IPS, the people are using three words. One is novelty. Second one is second one is industrial applicability. Third one is the people are using the methods, step by inventive steps. Just see the design pattern. Creativities are missing. Sir, I have one design. The novelties are there, sir. Industrial applicabilities are there. Novelties are there. But it is, I don't know, sir. This is working or not working. I have no for end result. You go for design patterns. You go for design pattern. No, sir. I have end result, end product. All the things are there. I have test report. I can able to perform my product. You have confident me. Immediately you go for design patent. Just see that is sir. I don't know any. Normally, that lot of patent agents, patent consultants, IPR people are there. We are refer lot of models. Just see that Indian government websites, Indian government's website. Normally, the people are calling literature gap, literature's gap. Sir, I don't know. I have idea, but I want to develop further. Definitely, you have some people are there. Sir, now only I am joined in final year, sir. I want to best project, sir. But I have ideas, sir. I have online concept. The one line concept. I have involvement, sir. I have interest, sir. Go through that website. ipindia.inc. Public search one thing, sir. Yes, sir. Public search. Public search. Possible, sir. You take one capture. Slide this capture. You take public search. IPR. IP India services government.in public search. You give your keywords. For example, nano umbrella, nano robo, mm, microfluid, healing material. Sir, I know that healing material, self-healing material, sir. Wonderful. Self-healing material applications, self-healing material product, microfluid. Like these keywords and you use, you can able to take anybody's are done or not done. Is a prime search. Other one websites are there. Normally, you are using Google for search purpose. I'm recommending two things. One is a Google Scholar and a Google Patents. You type it, you go that Google. Type it Google pattern, then separate pages are opening. You can able to search in your keywords. Go Google and type Google Scholar, and type it your keyword. Lot of recent documents are coming. So from this you study, you have interest, you have really interest, you have really involvement, you can able to do. You can able to do. Search, research means search and again search and search. Sir, 2 years before, one students are did foldable portable bicycle. Next, chainless bicycle. Next students are height adjustable bicycle. It is like a search. It's like a search. Again and again, the peoples are developing one product. The one product. Similarly, design also. Sir, I have diagrams only, sir. Very simple, sir. Sir, I have one idea. I have one product image. I have um, I have one product idea. I can able to visualize the product, my product. The product have a novelty, but I don't know the products are working or not. But I know that product industrial applicability. Then you go for design pattern. Similarly, you can able to search India's other people design patterns. So design search and design patterns shape not only for product. In design patterns mean ornament, compositions of lines, colors, shape and configuration patterns. Any can able to that design patterns. Sir, in pattern and design patterns, all the things are techno-legal document. Techno-legal documents. In design patterns, it's a very simple compared to patterns. In patterns, you have lot of documents are there. Techno-legal documents are there. Better, you have a pattern me. You just consult your faculty members. Or otherwise, you message me. I have my LinkedIn profile. You message me. We can able to support to you. Not commercialize. Not we are not commercialized. We are servicing the societies. And you just see I have one design, sir. Design. I want to design pattern me. You are submitting the pattern office only for form one and your different image of the your products. Just note it. Pattern mean you should give lot of documents. The pattern office. Design pattern very simple, sir. In our students are in Satyabama students are final year students filing design patterns in the first review. The first review, the second review, in the third review, the people have got certificate. In the end review, in the Viva, the peoples are showing this type of certificate, this type of design grant certificate. It's a Government of India certificate. The peoples are getting more than 95 marks because of it is IPR, intellectual property rights. And yes, sir, I want to design patterns, sir. I have idea, I have a design, I have a novelty, I have an industrial applicability. Yes, but my product, I don't know my products are working or not working. So you move for, we are judges, we are recommend design patent. We are recommend design patent. Just see in the design patent times, it's a techno-legal document. Design patent time, you are giving only for two documents. One is a form one and your different view of your things. The people's in the design pattern, you should concentrate on code, class, uh, cluster. We are seeing the affinity diagram time. We are clustering. Cluster is there. Idea cluster, people cluster, and lot of cluster you are seeing. Similarly, Indian pattern office are using the design code Laporna systems. It's a very interesting systems. The people saw using 4-digit system, dividing 2 to 2. 31 main classes and 31 main classes, 32 main classes, and 1 miscellaneous classes. And further 2 digits are representing in subclasses. Class 2 digit and subclass is a 2 digit. The people are using Locorna system for a design pattern code. Just see that, for example, recently we got spider robo for surveillance, spy robo. Nowadays, like all the places is coming robo to robo. Yesterday, one guys are coming and asking, sir, I'm imagining, sir, I want to robo code, robo visualization, sir. 5 robots working together, sir. 5 robo. I want to simulate this problem, sir. 5 robots are working together. We are recommending Arena software, robo simulations. Arena, the wonderful software. 5 robo, manufacturing robo. You see that 29 is a main class and 99 is a subclass. The Lacona code, the codes are given by the pattern numbers. This see, you well known code places are their pattern office, Kolkata, Delhi, and Mumbai, and Chennai. We are in Chennai, so we are filing directly patent in Chennai IPR office. This is a patent file, design patent files, receiving, examining, and registrations and post registration. All the things are doing only for Kolkata office. Patent, all the offices are taking care. That is a different things. Form 1, sir, I want now you are very clear. Sir, I have a product, sir. I want to file a design patent, sir. Okay, no issue. We will help you. You just see the form 1. The form 1 is asking your full name, your institute name, your address for service. For example, for example, Yeshwant, School of Mechanical Engineering, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. Like this address, service address, and class and subclass number. And signatures. For example, single inventor and multiple inventors are there. For example, if you are filing patents in colleges, mean you can able to put your friend's name and your faculty, HOD names, dean names. You can able to put your guide name is must. And design patterns are very simple. One is form 1 and like different dimensions, like a different dimensions. A4 sheet is a bond sheet, is a pure white sheet. You should submit perspective view, front view, side view. I will show you. See, sir, in the design pattern, you are giving form 1, and you are giving 4 to 5 views. I think you can able to give additional views also. A4 sheet, each image is like this. 21 and the paper size is 210 and 296. That is a different things. But your image size, I will show you that. Statement of novelty, already the peoples are given, sir. Already one sentence are there in the patent office website, other places you can able to see. Top, all the applicant name. The top, all the applicant name, and the left top corner representations, the seat number. For example, you are showing the 5 views mean total number of seats is 5. First seat is a prospective view. Okay, the total number of seats, the top right hand corner, that is, and each pages should sign all the inventors. Sir, I'm a true inventor, but you put your friend name, na, your friend signature also really need. Okay. And one more thing, just see that symbols, trademark, it's not allow the design pattern file. The background is a white color background only. Suppose I don't show that. Suppose you are showing a different background, mean the people are putting query. Don't put your product in different color background. Just you want this, you are filing a design pattern, mean you just show only for your product. Don't put black color background, white color background, yellow color background. Don't do that, because we have experience. Some Patents are, people are putting query. We are waiting for 1 year or 1.5 year design patents. So things are things. For example, in a design applications, pen come down. Sir, I asked one question. Pen, what novelty, what you can able to do in differently. So one is a pen, eraser, and pen gum darts. Pen with eraser, you can able to show in different applications. You can able to do in different applications. This is just see that name, name, name is a single name or one or two, five up to five, six, seven. For example, rocket applications, critical designs mean you can able to add more than 10 also. Total seats, seat number one. Total seat is the five, seat number one. First seat, you are showing a perspective view. Just see, sir, the novelty, resistancy, the configuration of the T-board. The T-board is a your title. Just note it, the T-board is a your title. Other things, other three paras, one, two, three. The three paras are, the other three paras are what? Other three paras are, other three paras are, anybody? Other three paras are statements. The pattern novice are given things. And signature of the applicant. Some people are giving a idea to that agent, pattern agent. The people are filing. That is a different things. But design pattern is not required for design things. If you are filed pattern mean, if you are filed, sir, you filed, na, the pattern officers are giving receipt. The receipt have some reference number. You can anytime you can able to track, sir. For example, the spider robo for surveillance, we filed the design pattern in 2020. The reference numbers are there. Now also you can able to see. People are giving the receipt. Design pattern is the only for 1,000 rupees only, sir. If you are filing the name of colleges mean, it will take 4,000. Pattern cost very costly. You are filing your department or individual name na 8,800, but you are filing in the institution name mean 45,000, nearly 44,800 something is coming. And just see that it is outcomes. People's after your Viva times, your sir, don't think you are in virtual class, online class, COVID times. COVID time also the peoples are conducting Viva. The peoples are asking outcome of your project. Yes, sir, this is my product, sir. Product is one of the outcome, but realized outcomes. Realized outcomes. Just see this 2016. The student's name is Venkata Ratnati. Now the guy is working in Tata. The guy is invented the cycle. The guy is invented the cycles. We filed the guy name. We are giving the preference and all the things. You see that is wonderful outcome. The guys are in the final viva. The guys are showing this certificate, green color certificate. Yes, I got design pattern. We are not asking any questions. We are giving the full mark. Really working. That is a different things. But we are giving more weightages for patterns and design patterns. Just anytime you can able to check your status through the reference number. For example, lot of things are there. Patterns. Now, no, sir. I don't want, sir. In the design pattern, you are showing only for views only. Top view, front view, the five views, five seats, and form one only. Fee is also very less, 1,000 rupees. Institution filing is 4,000 rupees. Now, sir, I have end product, sir. I hope very confident, sir. I want to product very highly, sir. Then you go for patent. The patent, professional specification and complete specification. Professional specification is a temporary, sir. Sir, today you have idea. Today you have idea. Yes, sir, I have one new chemical composition, sir. Yes, sir, I have new chemical composition. I invented, sir. I want to secure, sir. Okay, today you file Form 1 and your abstract give to patent office. It's a very simple process are there, but the patent offices are giving 1 year time. Within the 1 year time, you should file your complete specification. You should file complete specification, professional specification, and complete specification. It's a must. Sir, I have all the things, sir. I am a mechanical student. I have a product. The products are working. I can able to test my product. You directly go for complete specification. See that difference between professional specification as well as complete specification. And just see, I already told to you the design pattern times you are giving only form one and that second documents only. But in the patent filing times, patent is a techno-legal documents. Each and every stages people should that time definitely need for your faculty help or IPR people help or otherwise need patent agents help, IPR expert people's help. Apply form one, form two. Form two is a technical document, complete specification. I will touch you that form two. No issue. I will touch you that things. Form three, statement and undertaking. Form five is the declarations of the inventor. See, publications. Sir, you type it any places your name. For example, Kaja Bhattanavas, your inventions are coming through the publication, patent office publication. Yearly examination, form 18. Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 5, Form 9, Form 8. Sir, the two document, second documents only complete technical, but other things are standard formats are available in the patent office website just to fill it. But all the people's signature is a must. All the people's signature is a must in other forms. Sir, I want to draft one patent. Draft one patent. Yes, you can also able to, you have a product, the products are workable one, you can also be able to draft a patent. Title of the inventions. Sir, the complete specifications, form 2 now. I will show you that one by one. In the form 2, in the form 2, we need we need 6 heading. Sir, you have one inventions. I want a represent. I want tell. I want already invented things. You have a product, sir. You tell your product to the patent office. You are telling your stories to the patent office. You are telling your stories to the patent office. How I can able to? That is the form 2. Complete title of the inventions, field of the invention, background art, summary of the inventions, drawing. Drawing here we are preferring for only for 2D diagrams only, not 3D diagrams. Abstract and claims. Claims is the biggest things. We are taking claim as the one separate session. 3 day, 2 hour sessions. Claims, how to can draft a claim for a patent. So these are the title is there in the form. Inventions, field of the inventions, and background of art. The title of the inventions, not only these titles are any of your project journal publication title, don't go for more than 10 words, more than 10 words, short and sweet. You should reflect your objective. And the field of the invention, second para is the field of the invention. Title is a very short and very clear, maximum 10 words. Maximum 10 words only. Field of the inventions. So every day the patent office receiving lot of applications. Every day the patent office are receiving lot of application. The peoples are segregating. The peoples are segregating your application based on the first line, field of the invention. Yes, my inventions are applicable for this field, like this field of inventions. It's like a 2 or 3 lines, maximum 3 lines. And the background of the inventions. Sir, you are inventing one new product. Definitely already there the product in different forms. You are differentiating. You should vary it. You should write at least 5 to 6 literatures. Yes, these products are working in this way. I'm inventing this. And objective of the invention. What's your objective? Yes, I make a economy portable bicycle. I want to make a comfortable solar light. I want to make a thin solar light. This type of invention is this type of objective. Your objective may be single objective or multi objective, anything. Sir, I am developing what new power cord in different objective or one objective. You see that? Power bank, a single objective or multi objective. That thing is different. Brief descriptions of drawing, very clear. It's a 2D diagram is a better. Don't use any color. It's very clear. It should be very clear. Abstract. Abstract is like a 150 words only. In the abstract, it should represent your problem and your solution. All the things should cover in your abstract. Like title, IoT based blood testing devices. Analyze and development of bioplastic. This is our project. Analysis and development of bioplastic from bioalcohol mass for composite. Ergonomic drivers seat for spinal pain relief. Design and development of adjustable frame bicycle. These are the title like field of inventions. What purpose? Why need? This cycle you are writing. For example, I develop an agriculture robo me. You should write this operation, this purpose. I'm implying this field. Here or just see, this is a very important slide. Some people already done some product. Your period arts are failed some conditions. Some conditions. For example, I developed one electronics product. I developed one electronics product. In the electronics products are failed these reasons. The electronics products are failed these reasons. But I am developing in new way and I am giving a new solution.
వచ్చింది తల్లి ఆయనతో చేయరావాలా చెయ్యండి నేను చూసిన గమనించినాను అబ్బా ఫోన్ చేసిపోయి ఐస్ తెచ్చిపోయినాము
అంటే
నువ్వు క్రీమ్ బంద్ తెచ్చుకో
just I will finish. Period art and period art failure, then you are giving a new solutions. Solution is the inventions, your solution. Yes, sir, I can able to give, sir. These electronics products are have come some conditions. For example, these electronics products are not capable for 50 degrees C. My products are can able to capable for 90 degrees C. Like this solution you can able to give. Your previous previous literatures, previous products are failed, but you are giving the solutions. Summary of the inventions. You write, sir, your own way. You write one by one. Summary of the inventions. For example, this method. This is my invention. This is working this way. Light step by step methodology, technology. You can be able to explain yourself, your product. This is your product. You can be able to visualize and you write your invention summary. A lot of patent documents, model documents are available in the websites. And the brief diagrams. Sir, Jesse, you should interconnect your summary of the inventions and the drawing. For example, in the descriptions, summary of the inventions writing time, you interlink. Figure number 1 is the side view of. Figure number 1 is the side view of this product, like this. Just see that number. People are giving number. In pattern office, don't give parts, name of the parts. For example, I mean U1, number one. It's represented number one. Head mean to understand the things. Don't give part name. I mean don't write I. Head mean head. Don't write. You just give number, and this number you interconnect the summary of the inventions. You interconnect the summary of the inventions. So each and every pages for a drawing sheets, you should your true inventor should sign, or applicant or patent agents should sign. Lot of references are there, sir. Lot of references. If you have real product mean, you can able to commercialize. Commercialization opportunities are there. IPR opportunities are there. And one more thing, I already told to you, lot of incubator cells are there in the colleges. MSME incubator, angels inventors. Lot of people are there for invest your idea. Yes, sir. I have a one best business model. Yes, I have a best business model. You can able to do. Claim writing. It's a very very important things. It's a life and soul of the patent. It is the end of the patent document end. You should write very clear message to the patent office peoples. Frameable. Translations case and body. You should write very clear your idea, convey your idea to the patent office peoples. And for example, you are making a cook meal, your objective is to cook rice, and apparatus for cooking. Your objective is the method of tea mean, method of making a tea, method of making a tea. Mounting telephones, a device for mounting a telephone. Yes, note it. Your invention is a cooker, to cooker. Objective is to cook the rice. Apparatus, the claim starting apparatus for cooking. Your apparatus, your invention is a teaming, method of teaming, making a tea, a method for making a tea. Like this starts. And you see the pen, can able to climb different a device for writing. The pen objective, my objective is write. A device for writing is a comprising a body part, refill enclosed, set body part extra. Like this, you can able to write. A claim for landline mobile phones. A device for communication. Objective is communication. Note it, objective and claim. A device for communication comprising base, a keyboard with numbers, a receiver, a device. Some subclaims are there. Claim 1, claim 2. The key numbers are embedded to the base plate. Base. Note it's a keyboard with key numbers. Keyboard with the key numbers. A receiver. My objective is communication. It is a device. In previously, you were telling cooker is the apparatus. Cooker is the apparatus, cooking apparatus. But here is a device. Method of tea. Very interesting things. Boiling water and adding sugar to boiler water. Adding tea leaves to the boiler water to form a mixture. Filtering mixture and adding milk to the mixture. Like this. So you are conveying patent office your objective and your claims. Yes, sir. This is my object. This is my product. This is my objective. My objective is to making a tea. This is my method. You are telling, claiming. Yes, this is my invention. This is my claims. For example, this is a composition patent. Sir, you are a chemical engineer. You are chemical engineers. You can able to write a claim like this. I am making this composition like this, copper sulfate, like proportions. And sir, I am a software engineer. What's the scope of IPS? Two things. In design thinking, you can able to use any places like a coding, programming, front office, anything. So I think anything you can able to apply. But in IPR aspects, in India, the software you can't able to patent. You just don't look only for software. You just connect your software coding with the hardware. Then only you can able to get a patent. In abroad, UK, US have their things. Software patents are there, but India is not there. I want to write a claim for my software. For example, a memory for storing data for accessing by an application program being executed on a data processing system comprising a data structure stored in the memory, the data structure including information resistance in a database used by applications process, including, note it sir in this place, a first data object is configured. The second data object is configured. Third data object is configured. Like this, you can able to write up software claims. This is very useful for computer science students. Again, I'm repeating my words. Don't move only for software. Okay? You connect your softwares with hardwares. Sir, I'm a new. I want to learn more. Yes, books are there. MIT open course material. Lot of the peoples are is a group for design thinking, inventions, new product. The books, we refer some books. And NPTL, you well known. Design thinking courses are available in NPTL. NPTL, you well known. It's a free courses. Patent drafting for a free beginners. Sir, this course is very tough course. Patent law for engineers, but it's a very wonderful. You can able to get techno-legal document in the second course, patent law for engineers and scientists. Sir, I want to international certificate. Yes, you can able to get international certificate relevant to WIBO. WIBO is the World Intellectual Organization. These people are offering courses. The first courses is a free courses. TL 101 general courses on IPS. It's a wonderful courses. It's like a 5 to 6 week courses. You learn a lot from this course. It's a free course. You register, is available. And the NPTL, I think only for registration fees only. The examination fees only coming for students, like 1,000 rupees only coming. Courses are there, design thinking, relevant course, patent drafting, and patent law for engineers and scientists. The biggest career is there. And don't miss it, any workshop, anything like design thinking, lateral thinking, engineering exploration, 3D printing workshop, project management workshop, system thinking workshop. These all the workshops are fine tuning your ideas, fine tuning your. Still, we are attending workshop. Last month we attended one design thinking workshop. We have a tie-up with the School of Design Thinking Chennai. We are visited Trivandrum F Lab recently. We visited Madurai Tyagaraja Engineering College, CDIO lab. So still we are taking informations from the things. Parallelly, we are sharing. We are getting more informations from the student side. I hope. Thank you. Wonderful things, ma'am. Ma'am, any doubts are there, students?
Hello,
Ma'am?
sir. How much
Yes.
time it will take, sir, to
No.
end the
I
session?
finished, madam. That students, very wonderful opportunity. I thank
Okay.
to Prithvi Umbala sir and Dr. Ravi Kujala sir, Haripriya ma'am for this real opportunity. We already took nearly 50 to 60 sessions for Tamil Nadu students. And last month we interacted Karnataka students. Now it's a biggest platform for me for interact a lot of Andhra Pradesh students. Thank you very much, ma'am. I thank to Andhra Pradesh Skill Development Corporations. The peoples are doing wonderful things, initiations. Recently, I saw that LinkedIn page and website page. This much of initiations, the wonderful things. I requested to students utilize all the things. Thank you, madam. Ma'am? Ma'am?
Thank you so much, sir, having you. Actually, it's like it's not an easy thing. You given like 10 days our session on design thinking. It's like very great pleasure, sir. Thank you so much once again. For behalf of Dr. Ravi sir and Prithvi sir, I would like to thank you also because they are in very busy with their works. Today is
Yes,
Friday,
sir. Yes, sir.
so they are busy with their couple of meetings. Sorry for they are not attended
Oh,
this
no, no issue. No
program
issue.
for
No
validate.
issue.
I tried, sir. Actually, I asked them, but they didn't attend it. Anyway, sir, for behalf of Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation, I would like to thank you again. We are we are like forwarding to work more sessions with you, sir. So like, thank you so much, sir, once
Thank you so much.
again.
Sir,
And
I thank,
yeah,
yeah, you,
yeah, sir.
I,
Please go. Anything you want to share
only one
to the
things.
students?
Yes, you develop your ideas. Anytime you contact my LinkedIn pages are there. And one more things I want to share it. Only one things. You can also invent it. Don't think IIT guys, IIM guys, is only can able to make a best project. Can able to that people's only have new things innovatable. You can also able to do that. That thing is my final things. And I want to again I want to thank Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation and our great our institution, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. Thank you, madam.
Yeah. So thank you once again, sir. Guys, the students, all the students, I'm informing you that if you designed any idea or any prototype or anything, so let's give a call, just give a call or just give a just send details of your prototype to the email of prithvi.upal@apsssdc.in and haripriya_m@apsssdc.in also, which was messaged in chat box. You can see, and you can always contact us regarding if you designed any prototype or anything regarding this 10 days of session. So definitely we'll take forward to you guys. We'll support you. So anything required from us generally, definitely will give a like ss will give support to you. And I'm sharing the number of Prithvi's number, so he will like take care of that. Actually, he because of him this program was going on. Actually, he take a initiative step to conduct this program. So anyway, and I'm one of the I'm supporting to him to conduct to run this program as a successfully. Yes, little bit late today anyway. Sorry, sir, for that. But
Okay.
thank you, sir. Like 10 days, like you're giving such a wonderful PPTs to the all the students. It's like nice, sir. Like nobody will generally. I heard many design thinking classes in before, like entrepreneurship, which was associated by which was sponsored by Government of India. So we got many entrepreneurs who are successfully running their career as entrepreneurs as they started their startups also. So we associated with many members generally in that they told like 1 hour, generally they'll take 2 hours or 3 hours, but nobody will take 10 hours in design thinking.
Actually,
You did it.
actually, it's a
Mm.
30 hours programs. We are sort and giving very sweet.
Oh,
Actually,
30 hours program.
other colleges, we are discussing assignments. For example,
Oh,
10
okay.
product, each and every student should bring with ideas and sharing the ideas. We are giving after the 30 hours sessions, we are giving like a design patterns or patterns like this.
Great, sir.
We
Great.
will meet very later. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Great, sir. Will work on in future definitely. And guys, all the students, like, thank you so much for attending these all the sessions. Like, almost we like the students count also like 200 to 250 in range in between. But starting date was like 600 plus students were attended for this program. Nice thing, sir. It's like great pleasure. Thank you so much, sir. And one more thing, to all the students, you'll get all the certificates at like 15th or 16th. You'll get all the certificates to you, to your mail IDs, to the registered mail IDs. So no worries, you will get all the certificates to your registered mail IDs. Don't message us, don't call us regarding certificates. Definitely will provide. So if you give all the feedbacks of these 10 days, you will get the certificate. If you miss it one day, also it will, like, you will not get, because we don't know you guys are attended or not. Okay, so I hope it was clear. Thank you so much for attending. So thank you, sir, once again. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Yeah, thank you. Bye everyone. Bye. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.